Good Tuesday morning, gang. It's Jen. I told you yesterday in my videos that I was video happy and that I was having so much fun that I was just going to keep doing them. While true, I did not think I would be back quite this quickly, but I just got word from the director's call about information you need to know ASAP. I am so excited about it that I'm coming to you looking like this. No makeup, my hair's still wet from a shower. Pretty excited. So, I talked yesterday in one of the videos about being intentional and stepping out of your comfort zone and asking hostesses to have parties, to party, to have home parties, to have parties on the go. I have got a foolproof plan for you that has just been announced by Home Office. So get ready. Home Office just announced that all parties submitted in the month of March, all parties, instead of giving your hostesses half-price items, wait for it, they can get free items. Anything in the catalog, free, not half-price, free. If you have submitted a party in March, Katie Courtright, they are going to retroactive your party and they're going to give your hostess free half price. They will go back and correct it. Free half price. Diamond Districts, Fashion Editors, Cindy Totes, Paris, all the jewel stuff, free. If that's what they were going to get for half off, nope, they're going to have it for free. So that's not including their credit, so they're still going to have hostess credit. They will still have their hostess exclusives. They will still have a hostess special, but instead of having half-price items, they're going to be free in the month of March. Holy cow! Guys, get on the horn. Call those people who didn't think they might want to have one, not really sure I want to have one, I've already had one. Who cares? Think of the just abundance of things you're going to be able to offer your hostesses. And think about this. They get to a $1,200 party where typically they would have had 3 half-price items. Now they're going to have 3 free items and 3 free hostess exclusives and a free hostess. They're not going to pay a dime except for the tax on their hostess credit. This is huge. Take this and run with it. This should just have lit a fire under you that gets you so excited that you have a perfect segue to go to those potential hostesses and say, let me tell you what I can offer you this month. This is fantastic. This is lightning in a bottle. So I am encouraging you, get out there, put yourself on the map, contact those hostesses, contact past hostesses, let them know about this deal. You're going to have a great month. You're going to get great feedback. You're going to get excitement out of it. And I'm just going to sit back and watch it all happen for you. So take this and run with it. I'm going to look back and see if there are any other details that I need to kind of spread to you. But get on the horn. Find those hostesses. It's going to be a great March. All right, girls, make it a great day. Bye.